In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change download location on Windows 11. If your main drive is filling up, or you just want to keep things organized by sending downloads to a different folder or drive, this quick tweak will make a big difference. I'll walk you through it clearly, explain what each option means, and share a few tips so you can avoid common hiccups. Start by opening File Explorer. You can click the folder icon on your taskbar or press the Windows key and E together. In the left sidebar, look for the Downloads folder. You'll usually find it under Quick Access or under This PC. When you see it, right-click Downloads to bring up the context menu and then choose Properties. This opens a window with several tabs that control how the folder behaves. Go to the Location tab. This tab is dedicated to where your Downloads folder actually lives on your system. It shows the current path at the top, and this is the setting we're about to change. Click the Move button. A file picker window will open, letting you browse to a different place on your computer. Now, select a new folder location. This can be a folder on another internal drive with more space, or a structured folder you already use to keep files tidy. Pick a stable, always available location so your downloads don't run into problems later. For example, if you choose an external drive, remember that unplugging it will make the path unavailable. If you pick a cloud-synced folder, keep in mind those files will upload and count against your cloud storage. Once you've highlighted the folder you want, confirm your choice in the picker window to return to the Properties dialog. Back in the Location tab, click Apply. Windows will ask what you want to do with the files currently in your Downloads folder. Click Yes to move files. Choosing Yes gathers everything you already downloaded and transfers it to the new location, so you don't end up with downloads split across two places. Depending on how many files you have and the speed of your drives, this move might take a moment. When the move finishes, your Downloads folder is officially relocated. From now on, anything that saves to Downloads will go to the new spot automatically. That's it. Simple, clean, and effective. If you ever need to revisit this choice in the future, you can return to the same Properties window and manage the location right there. Make sure the destination drive has plenty of free space and stays connected, and you'll keep your system organized without any surprises.